you actually. So let's start with fire sign, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarians. What's coming up for them in the month of May, whatever is left, what's going to happen with them in the next couple of weeks. Let's see with a fire sign, but something is really coming forward. Some kind of real fast movement, some real fast decision making is happening. The guidance is that do not be impulsive, take your steps slowly, but there's some kind of communication really coming your way. Okay, so that's for you, my fire signs. Now let's see what's coming in for water signs, that is Cancer, Scorpions and Pisces. What's coming in for them? I see a lot of wealth coming your way. I see a lot of finances being boosted. I mean, I see there's some kind of just like encashment, there's some kind of fast money coming your way and you've not seen this coming. So there's something really happening on the finance side. That's good. And now let's go to earth sign, that's Virgo, Taurians as well as Capricorns. What's happening for our earth sign buds? A lot of partying, and after partying settling down. So you could be partying a lot this month. I see that also you will have like a very emotional, peaceful, like a very nice time with your emotions. You'll focus on your inner healing, you'll focus on yourself. So that's like a lot of self healing and self focus this month. And lastly, coming to our air signs, is Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Some kind of communication, some kind of decision making that you've been really stalling and just like procrastinating, you're going to take that decision. And also some kind of male figure, could be a boss, could be someone elder in your family, is going to pass a judgment on you. Like there's some news that you've been really waiting for, especially on the work front, is going to come for you. Also, I do see if you're in a business or in a startup, things could really go to the next level in terms of growth. Okay, so that's your reading, guys. I hope it did resonate, and do follow me on Ravina Tarot Star for more such videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.